Hi, how are you? I am well. Okay, so today I am going to do another traveler's notebook layout of my sweetie peeties. This is my daughter and my niece. I have two nieces. She's the oldest one, but the other niece lives in Florida. Nonetheless, moving on. Don't want to waste no time today. Wasting time. I have big plans. Okay? You ready for my big plans? I'm gonna jump into this because I want to, and you please don't roll off the bed laughing at me. I want to keep this under 10 minutes. I was in the shower, scrub-a-dub-dubbing, and I thought to myself, 10-minute Tuesday. Wouldn't that be a good idea? Well, not if you can't cut straight. Crikeys. Anyway, I did go ahead and pick my paper out because, let's just face it, that is the longest part. Lord forbid me be able to cut and talk, though, so. Okay, so I might have to cut those down again, but we shall digress. Now, okay, so I also thought I could really get some of my alphas used up today. I'm thinking Miss Laura, is it Laura Alberts? No, it's not Laura Alberts. It's Scrappy Nerd, UK Scrappy Nerd, I think it is. She's doing like an alpha attack. I don't know how often she posts the video, but she used like 36 alphas on her last page, which was inspiring. Thank you, UK Nerdy. Nerd UK? UK Scrappy Nerd. Scrappy Nerd? She's awesome, though. You should go check her out. If you can figure out what I'm talking about. Anyway, this is, I was looking at my Citrus Twist kit because I love Citrus Twist. We all do. And I had quite a few. Again, lining up and talking, not one of my strong suits. Quite a few alphas. So I'm also going to, she inspired me and reminded me that Tattooed Crafter, she has done a few like ways to use up your alphas, ones that you don't like the color for anymore or whatever. So basically what my plan is to get it right here first. Now, to kind of sprinkle the alphas all over the place. Now, due to that being an extremely long process, I am going to put you on pause for that. So 10-minute Tuesday is going to be a ruse today. Please hold. Oh my goodness, that just took 18 hours. All right. You'll never know the struggle. Well, unless you go to do this anyway. I have taken most of the letters that I don't think I'll ever use. I didn't realize I don't ever use a B. I've got a bunch of B's. Anyway, I did those in all the extra colors. And then my main color, Sweethearts, is somewhere around here. Your guess is as good. Oh, there they go. Ha, I found them. Anyway, so that's my, get rid of some of those alphas that I know I'm never going to use a Q. I just know it. Alright, let's get to rolling here. Who is that? Oh, okay. So I brought this card out. It says documented, and I'm going to use this last piece of coveted paper. When I go into heaven, the Lord's going to say, Shannon, that paper was not better than me. I'm going to say, I know. Oh, gracious. Moving on. Ooh, get on it. I don't have any of my embellishments out. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Alright, oh, you know what? Oh, that will go. Will it go? Will it? Will it? Let's check it out. Too big. Shoot. Shoot-gamooch. That's not a word. Don't know where it came from. Let's see about these other ones. Too big. Where's that other one at? That one won't fit. Go find the other one. I thought I had a skinty one. I don't have anything skinty. Anyway. Oh, this would be cute. Let's put that up there. I don't even know where I got those from. Oh, I think JoJo gave those to me. Joopy, always giving me stuff. Okay. Oh, there it goes. I found it. What dreams are made of? Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna do it. So, that will be awesome because that cuts out an entire cluster to worry about. Alright, it's not hanging over like I thought it was. Okay, now this light is for seriously in my way. No. So this side I'm not even, I might throw some embellishments on. But for the most part, I'm not going to worry about that side. It's done, in my opinion. Excuse my husband, please. Good grief, I hope you guys can't hear him in there. Embarrassing. Yellow, burgundy, not burgundy. What's that color? Turquoise. Now we will use some of these mini hearts that I have many of. Oh, A, where are you going? It's being stubborn. I guess I need to put one over there, don't I? Let's put a bigger one. Should put that in the place of the A, huh? Would that look right? Not fond of it, but that's okay because I needed glue there anyway. And then you know what? I struggled with that, sorry guys. What I will do though is put some Zazzles. No, I will do black Nouveau drops. Yeah. Where's all the extra paper when you need it? You know what I mean? Like, does it see that you're about to need it and get up and walk away? Jeez. And then I will leave this to dry right here on my desk. That one's already got one down there, so you know what? I think I will. Oh, you knew I was going to do it. Did you guys just sit there and watch me do that? Man, you guys are not my friends. Okay, I don't care. Put two there. We'll call it a mixed media layout now. Alrighty. Now I gotta go wash my hands because it's Erwer. Okay. Hey, what's a little extra paint ever gonna hurt nobody? It ain't gonna hurt nobody. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you had a great time. Oh, I'm so sorry for the glare. Sorry, Mom. Bye guys. Okay, so I totally went back and covered that one up and that one up because, I don't know, I just couldn't do it. Sorry, guys. I hope you understand that I just couldn't do it. And I added a border over here just to make that pop a little bit. So, anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and don't judge me, please. See you later. Bye.